Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my spring FabFitFun box here. Isn't the box so pretty? I really like this season's box. It's very butterflies and it just really does remind me of spring. Alright, so for those of you who don't know, FabFitFun is a subscription box that comes quarterly, so 4 times a year, so it's like a seasonal box, so you'll get one in the spring, summer, fall, and winter. This costs around, I think, $49.99, which with tax and everything, I believe it comes to about $50-something. I mean, it depends on, I think that depends on like your state's tax and everything, so I think mine was around $54. I don't think they charge shipping, but I could be completely wrong. I haven't looked at the actual receipt of it in a while, so I don't really remember the exact price of it, but I do know it's $49.99. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and start opening this box. Ooh, the inside is just as pretty. It's different, but here, let me show it to you guys. It's very pretty. I like the flowers and the green. Their boxes are always really pretty. Alright, so first thing in here is, of course, the magazine, and this is going to tell you the prices on everything, as well as little articles and just lots of little interesting things to read in here. But, of course, all I'm going to talk about right now is the prices and things. It has the lady from, what movie was she in, or show? Jane the Virgin. That's the lady that's on the front. I don't know the actual... It's Gina Rodriguez is her actual name, but I've never seen the show, but I heard a lot about it. Alright, so I'm gonna go in order. So I'm gonna pick through here and go in order of the list of the products, because it's just easier for me. I get confused sometimes as to where the products are, then I have to stop and be like, oh, where is it? Instead, I'm just going to go down the list. A couple of things to remember, if you guys don't know, there are the all members, select members, and then FabFitFun's picks for you guys. So I just have the all members subscription. You can one up, and the difference is, like the basic, you pay by box. When it comes to picking items, like I only got to choose 2 or 3 items. I think it was only 2 items. And then if you do the pay all at once option, then you become, I think, a select member, and select members get to have more options. They get to pick more. But I'll tell you as we go down. Alright, so the options for the first products could have been the Revive Light Therapy Glow Wrinkle and Anti-Aging Light Device, which is $68. Or the Donnie Ribbed Sweater Coat, which is the one I chose, which is $99. Then you could have gotten the Caravan Diamond Woven Rug for $48. Oh, there's a lot of options this time. Or you could have done the Summer and Rose Navy Diamond Tote, which is $50. Or the West Elm Indigo Tie-Dye Bowls, which is $39. And the last item you could have gotten, or could have been the option, is the Elemis Ported Tide Night Recovery Cream Oil, which is $59. So I chose the ribbed sweater coat, which retails for $99, which I would have never spent that on this. So here it is. I'm going to go ahead, pull it out of the bag. And to be completely honest, the color looked a little different on the website, or, the picture. But that's okay. So here it is. It's pretty long, and it's got pockets, which I like. I mean, it feels nice. I don't think I'll try it on right now, because I don't think you'll be able to see very well. But maybe I'll post a picture of it later. So this retails for $99. I would never pay that much for a clothing item, but that's just me personally. But it does feel nice, and I'm excited to wear it. So there's the first product. So second item, you could have gotten the Call Pick set of 3 packing cubes in sorbet or tutti frutti, which retails for $40. Or the option that I chose is the Marid, however you say that, Rapid Collagen Infusion, which retails for $78. I'll show you in a minute. Let me go through the list. Or you could have gotten the Shosana umbrella, which is $40, which I was really tempted to get. It looked really cute, but I don't know. It's just an umbrella, and I didn't really want it. But it was really cute looking, and I kind of wish I had gotten it, but I'm okay with what I got. Or you could have gotten the Tarte Rainforest the Sea Drink of Hydrating Boost Moisturizer, which I think that was whenever I chose, they were out of that. Or the Tarteist Pro Glow Highlighting and Contour Palette retailing for $45. Or the 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster, which retails for $135. Holy macaroni. Got the Marid Rapid Collagen Infusion. I don't really know what this is, to be completely honest. Which I'm guessing it's just a moisturizer. And if you guys see like a red spot in my eye, I think I rubbed my eye too hard or something, so now I have like this red spot. I don't know how I did that or if that's even what it is. It doesn't hurt or anything, but it just looks kind of funny, so if you see that in this eye, just ignore it. I'm fine. Like I said, I think I just rubbed my eyes too hard one night when I was like, I don't know, sleepy or something. Anyways, so I think... Okay, so I guess I did get to customize 3 options because we're still in the all select members part here. Alright, so third item you could have gotten was the Amber Skeets Double Coin Necklace, which is what I chose. This retails for $50. Holy macaroni. Anyways, or you could have gotten the Gravity Weighted Sleeping Mask, or retails for $39.99, or the Wee 2-in-1 Purifying Glow Mask Collection retails for $45, or the Cosmetics Pure C, this says Pure C, $54. Or lastly, you could have gotten the Green Goo Hibiscus Planted Based Body Scrub, retails for $35. So like I said, I got the necklace just because I thought, I don't know, out of all those options, it's the one I wanted. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out of the sleeve so it's not so shiny. Honestly, this doesn't really look like something that would retail for $50. Just being completely honest, it doesn't look like that impressive. I mean, it's got a little weight to it, but honestly, it feels kind of cheap. I'm not going to lie. Like, the coins themselves don't really feel that great. They don't feel heavy or anything, which, I mean, I'm glad it's not heavy. But at the same time, if it's going to be $50, let me turn my lights down. If it's going to be $50, you know, I would expect something a little bit nicer. I don't know, it's cute and I'll wear it, but yeah, I just can't imagine paying $50 for this. Alright, so this is where the next products are the select members. So I didn't customize any of the rest of this. Alright, so looks like we got 4 options here. So I could have gotten the Ari Beauty Luxe Detangling Electroplated Brush, which retails for $35, which I wouldn't mind getting. Or the Jubinair Merino Imperial Jade Body Oil, which is what I got for $68. Or the Stone Cold Fox Tea Towels, retails for $38. Or the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair, which is $31. So of all those options, I would have preferred the brush, but I don't mind this one at all either. So this is the body oil. So like I said, it retails for $38. So it's like a spray. No, it's not a spray, it's a pump. Which I've never used body oil, so it smells very like herbal, which is not a bad smell, it's just different. But there that is. I'm not going to open it yet because I'm not ready to use it, but I can like smell it through the bottle. which I kind of wonder if it's leaking a little because, I don't know, I can't tell if it's in my mind or if I feel oily. Yeah, I could definitely smell it. All right, and then 5th item, I could have gotten the AG Hair Fast Food Leave-In Conditioner, which is retails for $24, which is the product, which is the one that they sent me. Or I could have gotten the Smith French Dublin Aromatic Hand Wash Fresh Clean Green Leaves for $22. I don't really know what that is. Or the Love Script Body Wash, which retails for $58. Not $58, $28. Gosh, I can't read today. Oh man, the 5th item has a lot of options. Or the Cruiser Bluetooth Wireless Speaker, or the Ciate London Fierce Flicks Precision Tip Liquid Liner. The Bluetooth, it retails for $24.99. The eyeliner for $19. Or lastly, the Dual Salt and Pepper Mill, which retails for $21.95. So like I said, I got the Fast Food Leave-In Conditioner by AG Hair Care. It's got a protective seal on it, so I can't really smell it. Not going to open it because, again, I don't like to open things unless I'm going to be using them right away, and I'm still using a different leave-in conditioner. Alright, so that was all the products that could have been customized. Now, from here on out, so the 3 other products are actually products that FabFit picks for you. There's like only a couple of options, I think, or variations of it. Alright, so first up is This Works Deep Sleep. So this is a 6th product, or 6th item. This Works Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, which is what they ended up sending me. And this retails for $40, or I could have gotten the Wish Beauty Blue Match Restoring Mask. Which out of the 2 options, I am glad to have gotten this because I'm not a big fan of beauty masks. But, I mean, either one would have been fine. So I'm just guessing this is a lotion, like something you put on at night. Alright, and 2 more items and then I'm done. Alright, so first up could have been the Chick and Tonic Silicone Straws, which retails for $15, which is the one they sent me. Or the Wonder Beauty Mile High Club Volume Length Mascara, which is $26. Or the Spongella Body Wash Infused Buffer in Black Orchard, which is $16. I would have preferred the mascara, to be completely honest. These straws are kind of cool, I guess. But honestly, I kind of wish they were metal, to be completely honest, because, I don't know, I'm a big texture person, and I don't like straws to be squishy, and these are squishy. Because they're silicone, but I mean, I might use them, or I might end up giving them away. But yeah, they're squishy. They're not like super squishy, but I don't know. It might also be a taste thing, because you know sometimes like silicone like has a taste to it. But I don't know. Maybe I'll wash them, see if that kind of gets rid of any stuff that could be on it to give it a taste. It did have like a straw cleaner, which is nice. But again, I don't know. I'm kind of, let me know down in the comments what your guys' thoughts are. I feel like a lot of subscription boxes are giving away straws, which I mean is nice, but at the same time, I don't want to keep getting a bunch of straws in my beauty boxes and stuff, or subscription boxes, because that's going to be way too many. I feel like it's like a trend right now, those straws. But I don't know, that's just my personal thought. Okay, and then last product in here. The 8th item could have been the Winky Lux Rainbow Lip Balm, which retails for $18. The Pure Lisa Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Polishing Peel, which is $35. Or the product that I got, which is the Avena Thermal Spring Water, which retails for $14. I don't really know what I'm going to do with this. It's basically a can of water, which I mean, I'll use it, but I don't really know what's the purpose of this because it's just water. So I think it's kind of a silly product, but that's just me. That's my opinion. But I mean, I'll use it. I don't really expect that it'll do anything for me, but I'll use it. Alright, and that is everything. So now I'm going to tally everything up and see what the overall value of my box is. Alright, so the overall value for my box was $388, which is pretty dang good considering I only paid around $50 for it. So yeah, I mean, there was a couple of products in here that I wasn't too thrilled to get. That being mostly the water, the can of water, and the straws, to be completely honest. But, I mean, all the other stuff, I mean, overall, 2 out of the 8 products, 2 products that I didn't like out of the 8 is pretty good. I mean, I'm kind of excited to wear this robe. I don't really know if it's quite my style, but, you know, it could be a cute little throw-over kind of jacket or kind of cardigan. But, I mean, the other stuff I'm actually pretty excited to use. I do like the necklace. I just don't think it's worth $50, but that's just a personal opinion. I mean, I do always like getting lotions and leave-in conditioners. Those are always nice. And I've heard Murid, I'm probably not saying that right, but I have heard of this skincare company, and I mean, I've heard they're really good, so I'm excited to have one of their products so I can try it out because I would never spend that much money on it. And then the body oil is always nice to get, and so I will be using this as well. So yeah, overall I think this month or this season was worth it for me. I think I got my money's worth, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with this box this season. So yeah guys, that's gonna do it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like seeing these types of videos, and also let me know down in the comments if you guys have the subscription box, what you guys got, and what products you liked and what products you didn't like, just things like that. I just like chatting with you guys, honestly, so you could just, I don't know, comment on whatever you like and I'll respond back. So yeah, I hope that you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and I hope you guys are all well. I know there's a lot of that, you know, with the way things are going right now, that people are being sick and stuff. I don't really want to talk about that because, not that I'm trying to like avoid like the conversation or anything. I want my videos to kind of be an escape for you guys, so I'm not really going to like touch on that subject at all. But I do hope you guys are safe and well. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I would love for you guys to join my little family here. So yeah, that's gonna do it for today guys, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!